Jilana, you wanna show your friends your purple flowers? Should we go look at it? We'll be back. Come on, Jilana, let's. Your purple flowers. Okay. Okay, Jilana, there you go. Jilana, there you go. Don't touch it. Oh, there's our roots. Grass root.
I can't.
Just do it, Jade. Please, thank you.
I'm chill. I'm good. I'm not dirty. I don't want to get dirty up.
Why? Why you just throw it to me? Why?
E.T. is an alien and he's kind of spacey. Coming from the universe to party and go crazy. It's a mature thing to do.
What's that? I know. It's hard to be mature, huh?
Oh,
Yeah, it's hard. Thank you, Archenda Manalang.
what?
What happened?
Yeah.
What happened? Whoa! Whoa! That's a pink pancake. Is that a fish, Jilana?
I'm so much better.
Do that one.
Do you wanna?
Do that one. Today. It's all the way here. One day. Do it.
Seriously?
Do it. Do it.
Jilana, be nice. Say please.
Julian's turn now.
Now do it again. Let's do it with Ali that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's gonna read all of them.
You cheater!
Jilana, and Julene.
But I'm like, Jolene.
Eh, you toot. She toot. You toot.
We did.
Uh-huh.
Potato. Oh, no.
I finished.
Yeah, right. Now your turn to play. Okay, your turn. Thank you.
Ow. I'm so happy.
Now we put it.
I'm so sad. I'll save you.
Yeah, we do play.
I'm gonna get my hair up.
Oh. What is that? Is that squid?
Octopus.
Oh, nice. Good job. You're getting better.
No.
Don't touch that one.
Touch it.
Actually, I think I should get my socks off.
No. It's okay. It's fine. Just next time, just don't do white.
See, we do this.
Okay.
Do.
There's a lot there, Julene. See,
Yeah,
I'll make more. See,
Can I have a shovel?
there you go. The shovel there.
And that has holes in it.
Jesus.
Thank you.
Take it down.
There you go, Julene. You don't need to. There's a lot there. Grabe yung mga mga ibang vlogger Ba't ganun na yung mga vlogger sa Facebook? No? Ang tatapang Ba't ganun? Maricar. Natapang yung mga ganun na ba mga vlogger ngayon? Ang tatapang nila. Napanood ko yung sa sa Palawan, no?
Like that? Go look. Now watch me.
Matatapang na sila. Grabe, oy. Malaki na ba kinikita? Mga ganun. Ayan.